Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog paw balms that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Musher's Secret Paw Wax. Musher's Secret is a famous brand on the market, and their balms are known to be the best for cold weather. The Musher's Secret Paw Wax is a fast-drying, non-allergenic, and non-staining balm. Made with 100% all-natural food-grade ingredients to help protect your dog's paws from harsh terrains such as hot pavement, snow, and salt. Combined with vitamin E and beeswax to condition and relieve paw pads. What is also great is that not only the pads you can use it on, but also on the snout, elbows, and ears. Apply this 2 to 3 times a week and more frequently in winter. Moving on at number 4, we have the Bohdi Dog Organic Paw Balm. This excellent paw balm has won the 2020 Family Choice Awards, so you can rest assured of its quality. It offers a safe and effective way to moisturize and protect your dog's paws with premium-grade certified organic ingredients. The Bohdi Dog Organic Paw Balm is made with an all-plant-based blend and doesn't contain alcohol or other harsh chemicals such as parabens, sulfates, and artificial dyes. That also means this balm is safe to be licked, making it a great option if your dog is a licker. It is also suitable for dogs who have sensitive skin and allergies. At number 3, we have the Paw Nectar Organic and Natural Paw Wax. Does your dog have damaged paws? Check out the Paw Nectar Organic and Natural Paw Wax. Its fast-acting and lasting formulation can penetrate deeply into the problem areas and heal the pads very quickly. This paw wax uses 100% organic and all-natural ingredients such as certified organic coconut oils, shea butter, and other nourishing properties. It also offers excellent protection against snow, hot pavement, wet sidewalks, and dry indoor heat. Ideal for all year-round use. At number 2, we have the Pawstruck Organic Nose and Paw Balm. The Pawstruck Organic Nose and Paw Balm is a specially formulated natural salve and hypoallergenic cream that can effectively restore dry, chapped, and itchy skin. It contains 100% natural ingredients and is made in the US to ensure safety and the highest quality possible. You also notice its packaging has a USDA certified organic seal, meaning it is safe if licked. You can also apply this lotion to many different parts of your dog, such as the nose, paws, wrinkles, or other areas that need to be moisturized. And finally at number 1, we have the 4-Legger Certified Organic Nose and Paw Pad Healing Balm. As you can see on its packaging, this is another USDA organic certified product. It is a 100% natural, fast, and effective healing cream that offers soothing relief from dry, itchy, and bleeding pads. Not only that, but it also provides all seasons paw protection from snow to hot pavements. The 4-Legger Certified Organic Nose and Paw Pad Healing Balm is non-toxic and packed with moisturizing vitamins and emollients such as shea butter, hemp oil, and calendula. Additionally, it is unscented, which means it is also great for dogs with a sensitive nose. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon